Hi friends, welcome back to my humble homestead. This is Trina and I want to make some after shower oil or after bath oil, what I want to make. And I know there are some brands that you can get that are super expensive. I've seen on another site where she did a whole body care series, and this is one I definitely want to try. And so I'm doing it over here because I am on a short break from working, and so I can just get to my computer when I need to. So here is my makeshift double boiler here with my little slow cooker and my glass. And I actually not have to, but I was asked by my daughter-in-law to put together some gift baskets for a charity event for her work. So I wanted to do some natural baskets. One I'm going to do like more of a food one, and another one I'm going to do more of a kind of like a body care natural remedy one. So I was thinking I'm going to triple this and make a couple extra ones. Let's get started in what we're going to do, because I want to have this ready for my bath later. So I can, because I'm starting to get itchy, my skin's starting to crack around my fingers and my toes, and it has so many good oils in it for the skin. So I want to have this ready for me. I got most of the stuff that I'm going to use here I got on Amazon. I know Allie, who I stole this little recipe from, got a lot of her stuff on Azure. So some of the stuff I did put in for, I'm doing a really small Azure order for November because it's the last time I'm grocery shopping for the winter. Planning on it. This stuff I will link below in Amazon so you can get it there as well. So I'm going to start with my beeswax because it takes the longest to melt, and I will tell you what the regular recipe is. So it's 1 tablespoon of beeswax. And this I just got on Amazon. I've used this for a couple years now. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of beeswax. And I'm putting in first because this is the thing that takes the longest to melt. So I got my beeswax. Then it says 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. So I'm going to triple this. I got this on Amazon as well. So let's see. A lot of the stuff is brand new because I bought it specifically for this because I have such dry skin in the winter, and it's starting already, and I am like, you know what, this is perfect. I am going to try this and do it, and it has so many great things in it. Actually, I think I'm going to put the shea butter in next, but let me do this first. So I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3. I'm telling you, I've been watching your channel, Allie. If you're watching this, I'm super excited about all these things, and I'm going to share them with my viewers too. A lot of them that, I'm excited to try myself, because we all know that I like, number 1, saving money, and 2, using natural ingredients. So very excited about this. Shea butter I am going to do next. Tablespoon of shea butter. Now this shea butter I have had for quite a long time. I use this in my stuff. So I got this on Amazon as well. I'll have to find it and link it. I need to update my storefront, you guys. I've kind of been really bad about that. I normally just try to link below in my description of what I get, but I need to get on that. I need to have like body care things and cooking things, and just, I've seen other people's Amazon storefronts, and they're so organized and so cute, and I really need to get with it. So this is the shea butter that I have. It comes in a big old lumpity lump. So I'm just going to kind of guesstimate, which is usually what I do. And this stuff has lasted me forever too. So the beeswax in this, I tell you, I bought a good couple of years ago. And this, I'm going to end up getting on my hands, which is fine. So this, I'm going to just do like, there's 1. Oh my goodness, this shea butter feels so good. It's so good. I'm going to rub this all over my little finger that's kind of got a little cut in it, and then it kind of cracked open a little bit. Shea butter is so good for your skin, everybody. And I put this in when I make the sunscreen and stuff, I use shea butter. So how you can, if you have a double boiler, great. You can do this on a stove top, where you just do a pan with another, like a glass bowl or pan inside it. I'm using my slow cooker with a glass bowl in here. Working great. I have it on high. It's gonna probably melt out much slower than if I would have did it on the stove. But like I said, I kind of want to be by my desk because my break's going to be over pretty soon. So let's see. Then, okay, after that, we have sunflower oil. This is another one I did not have, and I did get this on Amazon as well. I think all of these are pretty much just a tablespoon each. Now my hands are greasy, you guys, from the oil, so getting this open is going to be fun. It's tricky, tricky, tricky. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. It just... Okay, really, Trina, don't make things so hard. And we just pour the sunflower oil. So 1, 3. And this thing is going to last forever, too. This is great for an aftershave oil, if you want to just, you know, if men want to use it there, or like I said, my legs. And then jojoba oil, which is right here. And that is a tablespoon as well. Okay. Now, if you don't have jojoba oil, and then coconut oil. So I'm going to use... kind of by keeping 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. All these good oils for the skin, you guys. When my son was little, he had eczema. This would be really good. I know that jojoba oil and coconut oil and shea butter are so good for eczema. Okay, and then castor oil. We all know how I feel about castor oil. I'm down to here because I've been using this to make stuff, and so I did order another one for Azure because, you know, in my Azure haul, I don't know what happened. I must have forgot to order it or something. So this castor oil penetrates deep, and it's so good for the skin, so good for your body. So we added that in. Oh, and it does say vitamin E oil too. Oh, well, good thing I grabbed it over. Oh, this is like every great oil in it. So this vitamin E oil, 10 drops. So I'm just going to put I'm tripling it, so I just added a little bit. Vitamin E oil, a little goes a super, super long way. Okay, so now we are just going to wait for this to melt. So once this melts, then we're going to add the essential oils that we want to add into it. There is one that is a known oil that's peppermint orange, and I was going to try Allie made one on her channel and it sounded so good. You want to use 30 to 40 drops total. So I'm going to do 10 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of orange, and 10 drops of grapefruit with about 3 drops of peppermint, just to give it just a tinge of peppermint smell to kind of, you know, sometimes when you add just a little hint of peppermint, not only does it, I love that peppermint, like when I have peppermint shampoo and stuff, but it just gives a hint of that smell. So I'm going to do that, and once I do that, then I got these, because I'm going to label these little things and put them in the basket. They're small enough where I think they'll go through them pretty quick, where it's okay they're in plastic. The other thing is, normally, you know, when we use essential oils, we like to use glass bottles. However, this is very oily and it's going to be in my bathroom, and I don't want to slip and drop the glass. So I am going to use the plastic as well for this body oil. So this is what I'm doing for this one here, everybody, for a little body product. I might edit my playlist and make a body care playlist and go through and try to find some of my things that I've made. I saw she did one called Pits and Bits, which is a natural deodorant. And now I have made a few different kinds of deodorant, and I have to tell you that I've gotten rashes from them, and I think a lot of it has to do with because it has baking soda in it, and I have seen a lot of people cannot handle baking soda. I have found this company called Wild, and I know a friend of mine, she was also having the same issues. She tried it and I tried it, and that's worked great for both of us. It's wonderful. I can link that below too, because I think you can get 50% off your first order. So I love it, but I am willing to try her all over body deodorant and just see if I can use that one. And if it won't break out, I'm happy to try that, because it does not use any baking soda. It uses arrowroot, which I have a lot of, and just a lot of these good oils again. So this is almost melted, so I'm super excited about it. So I'm definitely very, very willing and happy to try and use that. So yeah, oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna have to reach out to Allie, and we're gonna have to maybe see if she'd want to do a collaboration or something. So If that'd be something you'd want to see, you know, check out her channel too. It's awesome. Let me know what you'd want to do, because like I said, I'm so excited about these things that she does. I don't know why I have my glasses on. I guess I'm in work mode, and sorry, this is the way I look today when I don't have any meetings, so I'm like all natural. So it looks like it's just about, I just have a couple pieces of beeswax in here. So I bought a new frankincense, and then I found that I had a whole one here. Okay, so we have frankincense. Got 2 oranges. I wanted to see, this one doesn't look like it's open yet, so we'll use this one. They're both the same. And then I got grapefruit. I love citrusy smells, you guys. Ugh. And just a tiny bit of peppermint. Peppermint is one I'm gonna have to get more of, but peppermint a little bit goes a long way. Making three things of this really doesn't make that much. It almost makes me want to add some like more coconut oil in here or something. I don't know, what do you think, you guys? Like, let it make some more of it? Thinking about it. Olive oil is also anti-inflammatory. Okay, so let's add some fragrance to this. So I'm gonna do about 10 drops of each. I'm gonna start with the grape. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to actually triple it. 10, 11, 12, 13, and I'm going to turn the heat off actually on this. Okay, so we got the grapefruit. Let's try the frankincense. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, now let's try the orange. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there we go. There we go with that. Now let's try the peppermint. So the peppermint, I'm just going to do like 9 drops. And frankincense is also really good for the skin. Now let's try it. Okay, that's got a really fresh smell to it. Yum. Oh yeah, now I smell the orange. I love it. I love the fresh orange smell. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Just a little hint of the peppermint. Okay, I'm going to put this stuff away, and then I'm going to come back and I will show it to you after it's poured into the... I ended up getting 2 4-ounce bottles out of that I did. So I will have one for me and I'll put one in the basket. Anyway, it smells wonderful. My skin feels great. And give it a try. All right, thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day. And remember, you're loved. Bye.